F1 reaches Canada and causes some controversy while it's there. Stick around. Welcome to Veloce Motoren. We make videos about Formula 1, Formula E, and play, so subscribe if you want to see more. Vettel won the race on track, but due to a time penalty, placed second with Hamilton taking the win on paper. The podium was finished off by Charles Leclerc. Unfortunately, two F1 rookies, meme lord Lando Norris and Alexander Albon, couldn't finish the race. I predict that Mercedes will win the French Grand Prix, but Verstappen and Vettel will finish up the rest of the podium. But to be honest, I want to see Leclerc fighting for the lead of the race, so fingers crossed. If you follow F1, which you probably do, you already know what I'm going to be talking about. Lap 40, turn 3. So, in the slow-mo replay, we see Vettel on the grass trying to get control of the car. He rejoins on track, still fighting, and flicks his steering wheel to the right, cutting off Hamilton and earning him a penalty for unsafe re-entry on the track. Now, what I'm about to say is controversial. I think he deserved the penalty, but not because of the unsafe re-entry. I think he deserved it because he got an unfair advantage. I think this because if he had lost control at any other corner on the track, he would have lost his position to Hamilton. But he didn't, which you could argue is unfair. Thanks for watching. What's your opinion on the penalty? Did Vettel deserve it? Let me know.